Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm gonna show you the best and most proven strategy investing called dollar cost averaging. So let's not talk too much and get straight to the point with the video. So what is dollar cost averaging? So dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you actually invest the same amount at a regular intervals. The benefits from this are that you can lower your average purchase price. You don't have to try to time the market, because a lot of people always try to time the bottom and are actually at the end of the day not buying. And by investing a fixed amount regularly, you will end up buying more shares with the price is lower than when the price is higher. This is of course for a bear market. In a bear market, the price tends to keep going down until one point and then keeps going up again. And if you just buy in fixed amounts in intervals, you will buy the way down and buy the way up and have like lower average prices. So an example is, instead of you wanting to invest $1,200 in one go, you can invest $100 per month or invest $25 per week. And if you're doing dollar cost average, be sure it's regularly on the same day. So if you say I want to invest weekly, just say I will invest every Monday or every Tuesday or every Sunday or whatever day, but don't get emotional. Don't look at the price, just set a date and you'll buy it. A great example of this is Bitcoin. Actually, if you look at the chart from 1 year ago, let's say you would have bought like 1 year ago, you saw that Bitcoin was down like 60% at the price of 31,000. You like, Bitcoin is not going down anymore. You put in $1,200. Then by over 6 months later or something, it would be at 16k and you would have lost $600. Then it would be coming up again, but you would still be in losses right now. Well, you don't sell, you don't lose, but you still would be down on money. Instead, if you would have bought $25 weekly, you could have bought all these dips going from 19k, 16k, up again 20k, down again 20k, and your average would be probably below 20k and you would be already up almost 50% in profit. So that's the true meaning of dollar cost average. But of course, the next question is, how long should you actually dollar cost average in a bear market? Well, if we take a look at the last bear markets, we can see that bear markets last around 2 years, and that this bear market will be around from October 1st 2022 until October 1st 2024. Like, if you look at the previous bear markets, let's say the bear market of 2014 to 2016, you could see would go down all the way, and then in October, September, we would be around this $300 mark. Look at this $300 mark, look at this line. Then all the way to like October again, 2016, we would be back at that 400-500 line. Look at this line. So basically, if you would dollar cost average around this line, you would actually buy a lot in the bottom for 2 years and would have an amazing price. You would have like a price around $400, and everybody knows that Bitcoin went up to like 20,000, which would already be a 50x for you. But not only the 2014 to 16 bear market looked like this. If you take a look at the 2018 to 2020 bear market, you can already see the same thing. So if we go back to like October, we can see that you would be here in 2018 like 6,000, would all the way drop down to 4,000. And look at this line again. And again in October, you would be around, well, this time they pumped really heavily, but you would be sitting at like 10,000. So you would buy in this entire line. You can already say you can maybe even start earlier. Like, you could have started in like May 2018 as well and ended in like maybe May 2020. But as you can see, you can buy all these lower dots and you guys don't even realize how much they look alike. Just look at it. So on the left side, we got the 2014 to 2017 bear market, and on the right side, 2018 to 2021. Look how much they look alike. The bottom was exactly basically in Q4 2015 and Q4 2018. So you can already see how much they look like. You got a 2 years accumulating phase on this one and a 2 years of accumulating phase on that one. But what's even gets crazier, if we take a look at the bear market so far from this bear market, we can see the same pattern. We're going down, we get in Q4 the lowest point, and now we're actually slowly getting up. So we're literally here in this point. So you can already see how much they look alike. And if you look at this, you already know that it might have to trend the same way. The reason why it will trend the same way is because of the Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin you can mine will halve. So basically the next Bitcoin halving is in May 2024, and every time 1 year after the halving, the bull market starts. So this is a great example to show you guys we're far from done. I will even show you right now some dollar cost average results I had in this year. So basically with one of my favorite tokens, Render token, which I make a lot of video for, the token was priced around 50 cents at like January 2023, and then it went all the way up to like $2, making a 4x. Everybody was like, well, can I buy it right now? It's done. There's no point buying it, because they only see this spike and they don't realize you still have years to accumulate. So what I did, basically on like February 11th, somewhere here in this range, I just said to you guys, I will just buy it weekly, dollar cost average until Q4 of 2024 to show you guys that dollar cost average just works. You don't have to regret buying all this in the top. No, you can just dollar cost average your way. It's that easy. So basically, as you can see, my results right now are crazy for the account, buying 25 euros a week, which is like $27. As you can see, this account started on February 11th in 2023 at $0, and then we went all the way up and now already at like $715. But what's crazier if you look at the profit, so we started with like almost no profit. We went down the first month $34, which is actually down 30%. So most people would actually quit at this point, but no, we kept dollar cost averaging. Then we reached a really high $215 profit, all-time high at the end of April. We bent down back to $77 on this account, and now we're up $330. And for people that don't know, this account is already up more than 80% in 3 months without doing literally anything. Just buying weekly on the same day without looking at the price. And that's the power of dollar cost averaging. You don't look at the price, you just buy. And this is how easy cryptos. So a lot of people try to time, they try to short, try to long, lose money. And all I did with this account was just buy it weekly, and you can see the trend going up with profits. It's just going up. That's how easy it is. But of course, the next question that you guys might be asking, like, when do you actually take profits in a bull market? Well, it's the same way as buying in a bear market. So basically, when to take profits in a bull market. So bull markets last around 1 year, and this bull market will be around from March 1st, 2025 until March 1st, 2026. So yeah, this is again, if we take historical from the bull market of like 2017, we can see that actually the bull market, the price was around, like we saw before, at $400-500, and then from March it starts at 1,000, so a 2x, and then goes all the way till December, finds the all-time high and goes down to like March, one big spike again, and then just keeps falling down. The thing is, with the last bull market, it actually started way earlier to go up a lot. This is actually because MicroStrategy and Elon Musk started buying a lot, and this is actually where pumped, but also caught the dump mid-bull market to go down. And then we actually got the real bull market to the top, and the same pattern. As you can see, it goes down and up until March, and then it just crashes down. So you have to do the same things as a bear market. Just set a point. Just say, if you look at the chart, you can say, well, Doc, I think I will start in like April 2025 until like March 2026 or something like that. Just measure how many weeks it is. Really easy. And if you have if it's like 50 weeks, whatever, and you have 5,000 tokens or even easier 1,000 tokens, just sell 20 a week. Don't look at the prices and cash out in a bull market. You will never time the top. This might have been the top and you would have waited until December and you would have never made big profits because you waited too long. So just like you dollar cost averaging to buy, you dollar cost average out to sell. That's how easy dollar cost average is, and it's the most proven and most effective method in investing. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me at The Real Dog to know when I post about crypto, to know when I post videos and everything you want to know. Also click on the screen right now if you want to find one of the best crypto passive incomes which works in a bull market and a bear market. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel for more crypto content, and YouTube. Until next time.